Hi everybody, welcome back to the Microsoft 365 Meta Center update series, and thank you for joining me here. My name is Mark Stokes, and we've got a quick update to you today all around text predictions in Outlook for Android. Now we've seen this in a few places. We've already seen this around Outlook for the web and things like that. So it's actually coming to Outlook for Android now. So if we just have a look on the screen, what we can see is text predictions help Microsoft 365 users write more efficiently by using intelligent technology to suggest text during composition. This feature is available for Outlook on the web as of October 2020, Outlook for iOS as of December 2020, and Outlook for Windows as of December 2020, and this is now coming to Outlook for Android. So we won't go into too much detail about what it is, because hopefully you know that by now. If I just scroll up here a little bit, we can see. So essentially, as you're writing your email message on your Android device, it will suggest what it thinks the completion of that sentence is. If you want to accept it, then you can just swipe right to complete it. Otherwise, you can just carry on typing as normal. So this will begin rolling out mid-February 2021, so that's where we currently are now. It's currently the 11th of the day of recording, and this should be completed by late March 2021. So it's going to take a little while to roll this update out across all the Android devices that's there. Now, it's important to mention that this is only supported in English so far. So yeah, it's only currently supported in English and only currently supported in the United States. So if you're outside the United States, you're going to have to wait. This isn't coming to you yet. Hopefully in time it will do. It will be on by default. So when you download an update to Outlook, it will automatically be turned on. But you can actually go into your settings, your account settings in Outlook, and you can actually disable it there if you want to, as you can see here. So that's it. That's all you need to know. Like I say, it's just come to the US English customers so far. Hopefully the rest of us will see it soon. But if that's of interest to you, then let me know in the comments. I've given my views many times on whether I think it's useful to have text prediction in emails, but I'm willing to give it a go. Well, I can't because I'm not in the US, but I definitely want to hear feedback from people on whether the text predictions are accurate, whether they're relevant, or whether it's just something that becomes annoying. So please do let me know what you think, and Outlook for Android, you'll be getting text predictions soon. So thank you very much for joining me again today. Short update, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Goodbye.